Say good morning to all. This is अपना नाम बोलोगे, ठीक है? This is Chaitanya from 9th standard. Today I am here to deliver the central idea of the poem. कोई भी poem आपको जो याद हो उसका नाम रखेंगे, बोलोगे?
Good morning to all of you. This is Chaitanya.
Loudly. Good morning to all.
Good morning to all. This is Chaitanya from standard 9th. Today I am here to describe
to deliver
a speech to central idea of No
The
Man Are
poem.
Foreign. The poem No Man Are Foreign.
हाँ, No Man Are Foreign. Start.
फिर से repeat करके. Good morning to all of you. This is Chaitanya from standard 9. Today I will describe a poem which name is No Man Are Foreign. No Man Are Foreign is a poem which is composed by James Pickup. Through this poem, the author has tried best to give an society that we are all the Christian of same God. We should not discriminate among people based of religion, caste, etc. To prove it, James Pickup has tried has
That is best.
his
Best. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Chris Raj. I read in class 9. Today I am going to describe this poem, The No Men Are Foreign. The No Men Are Foreign, which is composed by James Pickup. Through the poem, outermost fight his best to information of a society. We all are the creation of same gods. Okay, sir.
आप सभी को मेरा, मैं आकर्षण उपाध्याय कक्षा 7वीं का छात्र हूँ और सबसे पहले आप सभी को मेरे तरफ से हिंदी पखवाड़ा दिवस की ढेर सारी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि इस साल भारत हिंदी दिवस 73वां हिंदी दिवस मनाने जा रहा है। यह अवसर बड़ा ही पावन अवसर है और प्रत्येक भारतीय के लिए बड़ा ही गर्वदायक अवसर है। इस अवसर को भारत के प्रत्येक राज्यों के स्कूल, कॉलेजेस, संस्थाओं में बड़े ही हर्ष और उल्लास के साथ मनाया जाता है। आज के इस भागदौड़ भरी जिंदगी में अगर कोई सामान्य व्यक्ति किसी कार्यालय में काम करता है और अगर किसी कारणवश अपने ऊपर के पद के व्यक्ति से अगर वो बात करता, अगर हिंदी भाषा में बात करता है तो वो उसे उतना महत्व नहीं देता क्योंकि वह हिंदी भाषा में बात करता है। और अगर वही उससे कोई अंग्रेजी में बात करता है तो वो उसे काफ़ी महत्व देता है और वह हिंदी भाषा का महत्व नहीं समझ पाता है। मेरे कहने का तात्पर्य ये नहीं है कि मैं अंग्रेजी भाषा का अपमान कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन मेरे कहने का अर्थ यह है कि हम हिंदुस्तान से संबंधित व्यक्ति हैं तो हमें हिंद का ही भाषा बोलनी चाहिए क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान का अर्थ ही होता है हिंद का स्थान। और अगर हम अपने ही राजभाषा हिंदी को आदर, सत्कार तथा गर्व से नहीं बोलेंगे तो फिर हमारे आने वाली पीढ़ी कैसे उसे बोलेगी। इस बात को मैं इसलिए नहीं कह रहा कि आप लोग अगर अंग्रेजी का ज़्यादा प्रयोग करते हैं तो ये अच्छी बात नहीं है। मेरा कहने का तात्पर्य यही है कि हिंदी हमारी राजभाषा है और उसे हमें हमेशा आदर, सत्कार तथा गर्व के साथ बोलना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
हम गाना रियल नहीं गाते
कि हिंदी भाषा को हम छोड़ रहे हैं और अंग्रेजी भाषा बोलना जा रहे हैं। हमें अंग्रेजी भी बोलिए लेकिन हिंदी सर देखिएगा सर, जैसा कि हम जानते हैं हिंदी भाषा को हम छोड़ रहे हैं और अंग्रेजी पर शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं। सर हमसे ना होगा इतना ही।
Good morning to all. My name is Atul Singh from class 9. सर उसके आगे
Good morning to all.
Good morning to all.
This is
This is
Atul Singh
Atul Singh
from
from
9th standard. standard.
Ninth standard. Today
I
I am here to deliver
the summary
of the poem
No Men Are Foreign.
The No Man Foreign.
No Men Are Foreign.
The क्या बोले
No Men Are Foreign.
The No Men Are Foreign
is a poem
is a poem which is composed by James Cooper. Through this poem,
the
author has tried his best
to give
to give
an information
information
to the society
that
we all are
the
the creation.
क्या बोले थे
We all are
you all are
the
creations
of same God.
same God.
So we should not
Discriminate
among people
among people
on the basis of
on basis of
colors,
religion, religions, caste, etc.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it. देखो बहुत अच्छा बोला डॉक्टर.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Ayush Raj from Standard 9. Today I am going to deliver a short summary of No Man Are Foreign. No Man Are Foreign is a poem which is composed by James Cooper. Through this poem, the author tried to best to give him information to the society. We all are creation of same God. We should not discriminate among the people on the basis of caste, color, religion, country, etc. To prove James Cooper has used the word uniform. For our human body to single according to the single body. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you.
Good morning to all.
Good morning to all.
This is
Abdullah from 9th standard. Today I am here to deliver
the central idea
of the poem Wind.
The Wind is a poem.
The Wind is a poem
which is
written by Subramanya Bharati.
Through this poem,
the author has described about
the problems
and obstacles of our life. Thank you.
समझ में आया?
Good morning, this is Amit Kumar from Standard 9 and I am here to deliver the summary of the poem No Men Are Foreign. No Men Are Foreign is a poem which is composed by James Cooper. Through this poem, the author has tried his best to give an information to the society that we all are the creation of the same God and we should never discriminate among the people on the basis of color, caste and religion. To prove this, the author has used the word uniform for our human body. Just as we change our clothes when it gets destroyed, in the same way, the soul changes the body when it gets too injured. We need air to breathe, water to drink and sunlight to see. These same things are needed to the people who are in foreign. Sir, ho gaya. Thank you.
Good morning to all. This is Abhishek in the front of you from 9th standard to deliver a central idea of a poem No Men Are Foreign. No Men Are Foreign is a poem which is composed by Subramanya Bharati. In this poem, the author has tried his best to give information to the society that we all are the creation of same God. So we should not have to discriminate anyone on the basis of their caste, religion and color. According to him, a human body breathes uniformly. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Benjas Pandey from Standard 9. Today I am here to deliver the central idea of the poem No Men Are Foreign. No Men Are Foreign is a poem which is composed by James Cooper. Through this poem, the author tried his best to give information to the society that we all are creation of same God and we should not discriminate among the people on caste, religion, region and country. The author used the word uniform for our body. When a uniform get injured, we have to take it away to the tailor. And same like this, when our body get injured, we have to take it to the doctor. And when our body get too injured, we have to change it. Thank you.
Good morning to you all. This is Atul from Standard 9th. Today I am going to describe the central idea of the poem No Men Are Foreign. This poem is composed by James Cooper. Through this poem, the author try to her best to the information to the society
all the people is a creation of same God. We should are not discriminate amongst the people, amongst the religions, caste, country, and color. We all are necessary. The water for drink, air for breathe, and sunlight for see. All these things are necessary for the people which go in foreign. Thank you.
Good morning to all. This is Arav. Today I am here to deliver a central idea of the poem No Men Are Foreign. No Men Are Foreign is a poem which is composed by James Kirkup. Through this poem, the author has tried his best to give an information to the society that we all are the creation of same God. We should not discriminate among people on their basis of caste, religion, color, etc. To prove it, James Kirkup used the word uniform for our human body. According to him, a single body breathes beneath all uniform, just as we should change our cloth when it gets destroyed. In the same way, our soul will have to change this physical body when this injured. We should water to drink, sunlight to see, air to breathe. This thing is necessary for the people who are in the foreign. Thank you. कोई बात नहीं सर जी.
Good morning to all. I am Kirtan Kishore from 10th standard, and today I am here to describe a central idea of a poem Dust of Snow. Poem Dust of Snow is described by a poet, Robert Frost. He tried his best to describe that a small things which happen in your life has a great significance in your life. He described that everything which seems negative are not always negative. He used the negative things like hemlock tree, which is poisonous tree, which is used to kill secrets, and he used crow, and crow has black color and harsh voice.
Good morning everyone. I am Subham from standard 10th. I am very happy to get such a golden opportunity to deliver a poem Dust of Snow. And this poem is composed by Robert Frost. He tried his best to say that everything which we regard negative not always be negative. To prove it, he gave an example of two things: a hemlock tree which is highly poisonous, and a crow whose color is black and has a shrill voice. Both of these negative things play an important role to change the mood of author. Thank you.